This is glass grade. You got crystals in here 2 inches, 3 inches long. This is pure glass. You're a goddamn artist. This is art, Mr. White.
Actually, it's just basic chemistry, but thank you, Jesse. I'm glad it's acceptable.
Acceptable. You're the goddamn Iron Chef. Every jibhead from here to Timbuktu is gonna want to taste. Man, I gotta try this.
No. No. No, we only sell it. We don't use it.
Okay, since when? So you've been watching way too much Miami Vice. That ain't happening.
So, what now?
Cook more tomorrow. Meantime, he's just the guy to talk to.